Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting any work. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Gather all your necessary tools, including a large drain pan and the correct new coolant. Remember to wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as sturdy gloves and eye protection, throughout the entire process for your safety. Now, let's prepare for removal. Position a large drain pan directly beneath the radiator's drain cock. Open the drain cock and allow all the old coolant to completely empty into the pan. This might take several minutes. Next, carefully remove both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Disconnect any electrical connectors or sensors attached to the radiator. If your vehicle has them, gently detach the transmission cooler lines that run through the radiator. With the coolant drained and connections removed, it's time for the old radiator to come out. First, remove the fan shroud and any mounting bolts or clips holding the radiator in place. Carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Before installing the new one, inspect it thoroughly for any shipping damage. Then, gently lower the new radiator into its proper position, ensuring it seats correctly, and secure it with all mounting bolts. Almost done, reconnect all the radiator hoses, sensors, and transmission cooler lines, ensuring they are tight and secure. Crucially, close the radiator drain cock completely before adding any new fluid. Slowly pour the correct coolant mixture into the radiator and the overflow reservoir until full. Start the engine, allow it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Finally, thoroughly check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.